Hi community, this is my new app, Global Mind Map. This app is capable to do mind maps like this, like map, and store the mind map nodes inside persistent globals in the InterSystems IRIS. So this is the app. You can do anything, change layouts, add more nodes, new node, release, and add subnodes, childs. More children. You can change the background and font size, color. Okay. It's very easy to edit your mind map, and all these nodes are stored in globals. In InterSystems IRIS. You can delete nodes too. You can do delete, remove, and will be removed from globals in our IRIS. So your mind map can be reloaded. That will be queried from the IRIS database and loaded here. Okay. Unloaded from the globals. You can see the globals in CSP. System. Switch IRIS app. You can do mind map. Find. Search. Mind map. So you can see your mind map values. Mind map values stored all properties. All node. Each node is a mind map half, and each property of the mind map node is a subscript here. It's very easy and flexible, working with globals to store data. Okay, you can see the source codes in VS Code. So in the Docker Compose, I created the IRIS to be backend services using APIs, and the front-end service to be the mind map into a React app using Mind-Elixir. Okay, so the Object-Script app to the back-end services to store, delete, and query nodes from mind map is here. So you can store the mind map, set the mind map global with the all subscripts. Okay, it's very easy. Delete a mind map. I used a mind map node ID as a key to find the specific mind map global value, and kill to delete, and created a function to loop for all mind map nodes to return to the front end, render the all mind map nodes. Okay, It's very easy. You use order mind map to get the first elements, the root elements, and test the key is not empty. I have more instances, so I do order mind map for the key found, and while will get each line, each row in the database and send to the front end. Okay. So in the front end is a React app. This React app, I do npm install to create the executable and expose in this port, 3000 port. Okay, npm starts React app, rendering app.js render mind map component. Mind map components I created here, Mindmap.js. Mindmap.js in the component initiates sends an API call to return if there is content or no in the database. If no, you start a new mind map with a root node called new mind map, and then store this new mind map nodes inside the database. If the mind map exists in the database, I call global mind map get to get all the mind map data inside database, inside globals. So I call get to get the data, and call render existent mind map to render each mind map node based in the data returned from the globals. Okay, so in delete mind map node, I call the delete method in the API and the endpoint bar delete, ending in delete, and the ID of the node to be deleted. Okay, save mind map node using post to save a new node created in the front end. All the properties of the node are stored. Okay, and to get to render all the nodes returned from the globals, I get the first node that will be the root of the mind map, and all the other children I will render from this create tree. Do a loop inside the data, and pass to the data of the components, the mind map components, pass all the data, okay, found from the backend. All the properties here is a call inside a call, because it is a tree. One child element can be children elements. Okay, it's a recursive call. So this is my app. using React Mind-Elixir to be mind map components, and use IRIS APIs persisting globals, and we have a nice app to do mind maps. Okay, thank you.